Hi everyone, hope you're all doing. That's my daughter Celine. Anyway, if you haven't watched that video where I was with her, we are doing a family photo shoot, check it out. Say hello.
Hello.
There, you look there, mommy, and say hello. Hello. Celine saying hello. Anyway, today I'm back with another vlog, and it's a unique one. It's a cooking vlog. It has been a while ever since we prepared something. In case you're hungry, just grab your plate, keep it with you. We prepare this delicious meal, then I will serve you when everything is ready. I'm here with my sister during Hearts. She's going to be teaching me how to make African common delicious meal, guys. I know you're curious what that is going to be. I'm going to show you the ingredients. By the way, she's my young sister. Surprisingly, she's going to be teaching me something unique. The way she cooks it. Last time when I tasted it, it was so yummy. And I liked it. I wasn't following, so this time around, let's learn together as she's teaching me. She's teaching you as well. So, if you're going to like this video already, give it a like. And if you haven't joined the squad, kindly subscribe. Let me show you what we have here. The ingredients here, we have our onions, we have a tomato, ginger, this is beef, this is pilau masala. I'm already telling you what I'm going to prepare. We have our salt there. It won't be enough, so we have another salt there. And this is our rice. Hope now, mommy, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Hope right now you can guess what we are going to be preparing. We are going to be preparing African pilau. Ghanaians call it jollof. Then here we call it pilau, a mixture of beef and rice. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. So keep watching. Guys, I'm going to slice our beef into small pieces. Yes. Mami agenje. Okay. As you saw earlier, I'm done washing our meat. I'm going to boil it for a few minutes, like 10 will be enough, before we start the preparations.
Alu, minente.
Hey, nyangolo ndo mchele. Tonda wana mchele. Hi friends, we have our onions here. You make sure you use enough since the rice is also mob. For us, we are going to prepare 2 kgs of rice. The beef is already there. Salt. So you add in your onions and let them cook until they turn goldish brown. If you haven't noticed, I'm using a saucepan made from Nile Simba. This video is not sponsored, or the advert is not sponsored, but I just wanted to show you that in Uganda we also make saucepans, and this is one of them. Let's wait for our onions to boil. As you can see, our onions are ready. The chef herself. Hope you can see how our meat has changed the colors well. Our ingredients have all dissolved. You don't see any onion, any tomato, nothing. Now we are adding in our ingredients. That's hash nuts. It has cinnamon, cloves, garlic, ginger. It has a lot of spices, as you see there. So they are all mixed at once. You buy it in a packet and you just have to add it in your meat. Mix well, as you're seeing. Since there are 2 kilograms, I'm going to use 1.5. I would have used 1 if it was maybe like half kilo. And also it depends on the quantity of rice you're going to prepare. I can feel the aroma already, guys. I told you, prepare your plate. Once the meal is done, I'll be serving you with my sister. So we are going to let the water boil